In this video, we'll be examining the unique advantages and challenges of pursuing a career as a data engineer in both large enterprises and smaller organizations like fintechs. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed career decisions, so let's delve into the details. A career in data engineering in Hong Kong typically begins with a degree in computer science or a related field. Entry-level roles, such as data analyst or database administrator, allow you to develop essential skills in SQL, Python, and data management. From there, roles can vary, typically across the following functions. Traditional data engineers build and maintain data pipelines. Big data engineers handle large volumes of unstructured data. ETL developers focus on extracting and transforming data. Data warehouse developers ensure data is organized for business intelligence. Let's talk about large enterprises in Hong Kong. Pros: specialization, roles are often more specialized. For instance, you might exclusively work with technologies like Snowflake or Oracle, allowing you to become an expert in that area. Career advancement. There are clear paths for promotion within established companies, such as moving from data engineer to senior data engineer or data engineering lead, where you oversee projects and mentor junior engineers. Resources. Larger corporations often have substantial resources for training and development, offering opportunities to enhance your skills. Compensation. Large companies in Hong Kong typically provide strong pay incentives, including competitive salaries, bonuses, and comprehensive benefits packages, which can be very appealing in a high-cost city. Cons. Limited scope. You may work on a narrow set of tasks, which can restrict your exposure to various technologies and processes. Bureaucracy. Larger organizations can have more red tape, making it slower to implement changes or innovations. Now let's explore smaller fintech-type companies. Pros: versatility. You'll likely wear many hats, gaining a broader range of skills from data ingestion to analytics. This offers a comprehensive understanding of the entire data lifecycle. Agility. Smaller companies can pivot quickly, allowing for more innovative projects and a more dynamic work environment, which is crucial in Hong Kong's fast-paced tech scene. Impact. Your contributions can have a direct impact on the company's success, providing a strong sense of fulfillment. Equity opportunities. Smaller fintech firms often attract talent by offering incentives tied to the company's growth, such as stock options. Cons. Limited promotion opportunities. Career advancement may be less defined, with fewer positions available above you. Resource constraints. Smaller teams might mean fewer resources for training and development, which could limit your growth. Compensation stability. While smaller companies may offer equity, salary packages might not be as competitive as those in larger enterprises. It's essential to remember that your career path doesn't have to be linear nor mapped out from start to finish. If you start in an enterprise, you can move to a fintech and vice versa. Additionally, beginning your career in data engineering can open doors to opportunities in other domain areas like AI and MLOps engineering, where your foundational knowledge will be invaluable. And this is something we will explore more in another video. In summary, both large enterprises and smaller fintech companies in Hong Kong offer unique advantages and challenges for data engineers. Whether you prioritize specialization and strong compensation or versatility and growth potential, the right choice depends on your career goals and personal preferences.